Okay, go to Google, type in Music Lab, click on this link, click on Songmaker. This brings you to the main Songmaker grid. So the first thing we're going to do is to come down to our tempo, and we're going to adjust the slider to 140. We're then going to come to settings. We're going to change our length, our bars, to 16. We're going to change the scale to chromatic. Everything else should look the same. Take a moment to pause if you need to, and then OK to come out. Okay, let's program our drums. So coming down to this bottom horizontal section, first beat of the bar, and here is your first kick drum. Come along to the second beat of the bar, moving up one level. That's your snare drum, little blue triangle. We're going to continue that pattern all the way across. Take a moment to pause if you need to. So once you're finished, it should sound like this. Okay, let's move on to composing our melody. You're going to start the first beat of the bar again, third box above the slightly thicker blue line, and you're going to input an orange note. Moving along and up, you've got a green note next, and I want you to continue and copy this pattern all the way across. Take a moment to pause if you need to. Moving along to the next section. Moving along to the next section, and then copy the final section. Once you've programmed in all your notes, it should sound like this. Don't forget to save your masterpiece, and you can copy and share the link on Google Classroom.